Okay, let's talk about numbers 21 to 30. Mr. Chu left already 84 hectares of land after he passed away. He asked for the land to be divided between his wife and their son at a ratio of 5:3, respectively. How much land should his wife expect to receive? Now, there is a technique that I'm going to teach you right now in order for you to solve this. It all starts with a cross. That is how I start out with by techniques para mas tandaan kasi nga sabi diba, Jesus is the answer. So if you write a cross, yun yung pinaka basic na simula noong technique. Now, what do you do next? Lalagay natin yung mga numbers sa taas. In this case, a 184, lalagay mo siya sa taas. And then yung ratio, which is 5:3, lalagay natin dito sa kabila. 5:3. Yung 5 is dun sa wife, kasi yun ang nauuna. So, dito sa wife, 3 sa son. Now, why am I doing this technique? Kasi kung hindi nyo ito gagawin, medyo mas matagal yung traditional method, which is going to be an equation. It's going to be 154 is equal to 5x plus 3x, tapos ganyan-ganyan, mag-ikot-ikot ka pa. So, what do you do instead? You just basically use this technique. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is 5 plus 3. Kung ano yon, that is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Lalagyan natin ito sa ilalim. And then, 184 divided by 8. So, 184 divided by 8, if you look at it, kitang-kita naman naka-fraction na nga. So, isosolve lang natin yon. 184 divided by 8. So, that is 2, which is 16. This is 24, which is 3. So, you have 23. Tapos yung 23 na yan, which is yung answer, imumultiply mo siya sa kanino yung hinahanap. Sabi, how much land should his wife expect to receive? So, yung wife, yung 5, imumultiply mo yung 23 sa 5. So, 23 times 5 is going to give you 115. The answer is letter A, 115. It's that easy instead of doing all of this. Okay? Number 22 at yung mga sumusunod follows this graph. Now, when it comes to graph, again, the key here is itatapat mo na yung mga certain information. I already made a discussion on line graphs. You can click up here to watch my series on graphs para makita ninyo yung iba-ibang klaseng graph. Dito tayo sa number 22, sabi how many females were recorded in 2013. Okay? Ang sabi, ang population daw to ng Philippines in millions. So, meron siyang bawat isa dyan. It's not actually 45 as in 45 people. It's 45 million people. Hinahanap yung females sa 2013. Ngayon, yung females, ito yung klase ng dot niya. So, ito yung mas makapal na linya. In 2013, so that is this. So, 2013, katapat lang natin yung linya. Yan ay 65. So, the answer is 65 million. Letter D. Okay? So, sa graphs analysis lang at tapos, onting computation, tapat-tapat, and you'll get the answer na. 23, which year had the same amount of males and females recorded? Sabi, same amount, ibig sabihin dapat pantay yung dami nila. Saan ngayon nag-intersect yung lines? The answer there is this, ito, 2014. Kasi kung nakikita ninyo, dito sa 55 yung females, dito din sa 55 yung males. So, ito yung year na pareho ang dami ng males and females, 2014. So, letter B ang sagot. Number 24, which period saw no change in the amount of males recorded? Sabi, no change, ibig sabihin, pantay yung dami. Flat yung line. Sa males. Ang males is this kind of line. So, ito yung mas manipis, itong line na to. If you notice, yung 2012 is 60, 2013, flat, 60 din. So, ito yung walang change. Ang walang change is 2012 to 2013. Letter B. 25. Ito, sa mixture problems. I already made a video on mixture problems. You can click here to see the series. Sabi, June mixed 12 kilos of soil containing 11% of clay. Na consideration ng clay with 10 kilos of soil with 22% clay. What is the clay content in the mixture? So, ang formula niyan is like this. Equals, ganyan. So, 12 kilos, 11%. Hinalo sa 10 kilos na 22%. Ano daw yung kalalabasan na content ng clay? So, 12 plus 10 is 22. Again, if this is too much for you, watch the explainers, the video lessons muna para makakatch up kayo. I-multiply mo lang siya lahat. So, 11 times 12 plus 22 times 10 is equal to 22x. Okay, so this is going to give us 132 plus 220 is equal to 22x. So this is going to give us 352 is equal to 22x. Divide mo lang siya sa 22. So you have 352 divided by 22, which is 1, 22. This is going to give us 13. And then this is 2. So 22 times 132, that is actually 6. So the answer is 16%. That is letter A. Okay? Again, watch the video muna kung naguguluhan kayo para maintindihan niyo yung sagot. 26. Equality lang to. Hinahanap ko na yung x. Isa-solve lang natin yung x. So, if 2 over 5 down times x minus 12 is equal to negative 20, ano yung x? So, isa-isayin lang natin yan. So, 2 over 5x minus 12 is equal to negative 20. Yung 12 na to, ililipat natin sa kabila. Iwan natin yung x sa isang side. Kasi dapat iwan na yung mga x na yan. So, negative 12, ililipat natin sa kabila. So, negative 20 plus 12. Kasi pag nilipat mo siya, magpapalit siya ng sign. So, 2 over 5x is equal to negative 20 plus 12, which is negative 8. And then, imumultiply lang natin siya sa reciprocal or ilipat natin muna sa 5 muna. So, times 5, both sides, makakancel itong 5 na to. 2x is equal to negative 40. Divide mo siya by 2. X is equal to negative 20. The answer is letter A. Okay? Number 37, the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 1371. What is the smallest of the 3 numbers? Again, there's a video on this then. You can click up here to watch the video lesson. This is very easy instead of using your traditional method. I'm going to show you the traditional method muna, and then I'm going to show you the alternative. Our traditional method is kung meron kang 3 consecutive numbers, we have the smallest number, the middle number, and the largest or the biggest number. Okay? Yung smallest number, since siya ang hinahanap, siya yung magiging x. This becomes x plus 1. Pero dahil odd numbers ang hinahanap, this is going to be x plus 2. And then this is going to be x plus 4. Okay? And then i-add mo yan lahat to get 1371. So formula, 1371 is equal to x plus 2 plus x plus 4. Okay? So that is going to give us 1371 is equal to, pag sasama-sama natin lahat ng x, we have 1, 2, 3, tatlong x, so 3x plus 6. Ililipat natin yung 6 sa kabilang side, so magiging minus 6 siya. 137 minus 6 is equal to 3x. This is 131. Okay, 1371 minus 6, so that is going to give us 1,365. Okay, and then that is going to be equal to 3x. Divide mo siya sa 3. It's going to give us 455 is equal to x. So the answer is letter C. Now, ano yung mas madaling method? Ang mas madaling method is like this. Kung ilan ang dami ng numbers, tatandaan mo kung odd or even, and then yung sum. Now, yung kung ano man yung dami ng numbers, draw yung siya as blank. So, we have 1, 2, 3, tatlong blank. Ito yung sequence. Yung sum, 1371 divided by kung ilan yung numbers, which is 3. The answer here would be 4, 5, 7. Kung ano yung sagot na yan, lalagay mo siya sa pinaka-gitna. Ang pinaka-gitna is 4, 5, 7. Now, kung ang middle number natin is 457, ang hinahanap natin is smallest number, kasi yan ang hinahanap, iuurong lang natin siya. Ano yung odd number na sinusundan ng 457? That is 455. So, it's still the same answer. So, you just choose kung aling method ang mas madali for you. For me, personally, ito yung method that I shortcut. That you can see here in the video that I linked up there. Okay? 28. What is 872 times 15 plus 2,348? This is a parang trick question to kasi if you don't use your PEMDAS, baka magkamali kayo, ma-excite kayo. So, PEMDAS to with may halong LDR kasi addition and multiplication naman siya. So, ang unahin natin is multiplication. 2 times 5, which is yung last digit. 2 times 5 is 10. Ang last digit nun is 0. Plus 2,348. Last digit is 8. So, 0 plus 8 is 8. So the last digit niya has to be 8. The answer is letter B. Okay? If you want to solve it long cut to check, we can do that. That is 872 times 15. That is going to be, okay, 10, 35, 36, 43. This is going to be 872, 2, 7, 8. Tapos i-add natin. 0, 8, 10, 5, 13. So 13080 plus 2348. It's going to be 8, 12, going to be 4, okay, and then it's going to be 15. So again, for 15, 4, 2, 8, pareho lang din ang sagot. Mas madali lang if you use yung mga techniques natin that we learn. Okay? 29. Okay, speed na to. So a bus left for Baguio and 6 hours later, a van traveling 92 miles per hour tried catching up to the bus. If the bus traveled for 12 hours, the van caught up. What is the bus's average speed? Okay? So ako, ang style ko dito is you draw it na lang instead. I'm going to show you how I do it. Naghahabulan yung dalawang sasakyan, di ba? Kung tatagalugin natin. Umalis yung bus, humabol yung van. So, ibig sabihin, they are moving in the same direction. Same direction siya. So, you have the bus, and then you have the van. Ngayon, yung bus, naka-6 na oras na siya. So, ang oras sa akin is the gitling, itong gap. So, first hour, second, third, 4, 5, 6. So, naka-6 na oras na yung bus. Tapos, nagsimulang bumiyahe yung van. Traveling, ang van daw na-travel 92 miles per hour. Okay? Now, ang sabi, after the bus traveled for 12 hours, nakahabol yung van. So, ibig sabihin, ilang oras bumiyahe yung bus? 12. Ngayon, meron na siyang 6 dito. Meron pa siyang meron pa siya uling 6. Kasi 12 hours bumiyahe yung bus. Ngayon, tanong, ilang oras bumiyahe yung van? Okay? Kung 12 hours in total bumiyahe yung bus, at after 6 hours, saka nagsimulang tumakbo yung van. Ibig sabihin, ang van, ang travel niya is just 6 hours. Okay? At bawat isang oras na yan is 92 miles. 92, 92, 92, 92, 92. The formula actually in the traditional method is going to be 92 times 6 is equal to x times 12. Okay? But sometimes kasi people don't get to this equation. That is why we start drawing instead. Either way naman, i-multiply pa rin natin yung 92 times 6. So, 92 times 6 is going to give us 12, 54, 55. So, 552. Etong layo na ito, ibig sabihin, yung mahaba na yan is equal to 552. Binyahe ng van for 6 hours, 92 miles per hour. So, gagawin natin next is to determine kung ilan kilometro ang binabiyahe ng bus sa loob ng isang oras. So, what we're going to do is 552 divided by 12. It's going to give us 4, which is 48. It's going to be 72, which is going to give us 6. So the answer is letter A, 6. Okay? I already made a series on SDT. You can watch it then there if you want to learn kung ano yung formula ng rate ng distance, speed, and time. Number 30, a few friends took a road trip to Batangas. They left at 10 a.m. The journey took 356 minutes. When did this group of friends arrive in Batangas? So, ito, time lang ang computation nito. Huwag kayo matatakot when it comes to this. Ang isipin nyo na lang yung totoong relo. Okay? Ilang oras meron sa isang minuto? You have 60 minutes per isang oras. So, ibig sabihin, kung nagbiyahe sila ng 356 minutes, ilang oras yan? Kung i-divide mo yan sa 60, okay, that is going to give you 5 hours plus 56 minutes. Now that we have that, itadagdag lang natin yan dun sa 10 a.m. Ngayon, mag-ingat kayo dun, kasi if hindi kayo sanay sa military time, baka maguluhan kayo magbilang. Kung sanay kayo sa military time, that is 10 plus 5 and 56. That is 15, 56, or dahil naka-AM, PM siya, that is 3:56 p.m. Gumabi na. Okay? If hindi kayo sanay dyan, magsimula kayo magbilang sa 10 a.m. So, 10 a.m. plus 1, 11 a.m. plus 2, 12 a.m. plus 3 pang oras kasi 5 hours on target. That is 3 o'clock p.m. and then plus 56. So, the answer is letter B. So the key here, especially sa exam, is to be careful. Dapat alam niyo kung ilang minuto sa isang oras, ilang oras meron sa isang araw, ilang araw meron sa isang linggo, ilang linggo meron sa isang buwan, ilang araw meron sa isang taon. These are basic things that I know that you know, but make sure na refreshed kayo when it comes to the actual exam. Okay? So, God bless guys. Adya kayo yan, and I'll see you on the next video.